Hello everyone! Today we're going to build a wonderful new farm for our lovely pigs and cows. And most exciting of all, we'll be caring for a mother pig as she prepares to give birth. It's going to be a heartwarming and unforgettable journey, so let's get started right away. Hey, come on my cute little pigs, let's head back to the new barn.
Hey! Come on, pigs, it's time to eat! Come on, come on! Oh my God! What's happening to my pig? Oh no, I'm so worried!
My pig is in labor and about to give birth. Someone, please help it right away.
Help!
Oh my goodness! My pig just gave birth! Someone please help me bring the little piglets out safely!
Okay, let me help the mother pig take out the piglets. Wonderful! A sweet little pink piglet. So adorable. So cool! Another little piglet with cute black spots. So adorable. All done! You've given birth to 2 adorable piglets. Now go back and take care of your little ones. Now let's give the little piglets a nice clean bath. Don't be afraid, little one. We'll give you a nice clean bath and then bring you back to your mommy pig. The piglets look so adorable. Eat well and grow up big and strong. Now that we've finished caring for the piglets, let's call the cows back to the farm. Let's give the cows some fresh, delicious hay to enjoy. built a warm and happy farm, cared for the adorable little piglets, and fed the cows with fresh, tasty grass. It's been such a joyful day filled with love for our animals. Thank you so much for joining me, and I can't wait to see you in the next video with more fun and exciting farm stories. Goodbye and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye. Oh no! The cow is giving birth right now. Somebody please help her quickly. Help! Help!
I'm here. Let's bring the cows back to the farm, take care of them, and build a wonderful home for them.
Help! Help!
Okay.
Hello friends! Today we are back together to build a cozy little farm for our sweet cows. They need a warm and happy home, and with your help, we will make it the most beautiful farm ever. So, let's begin our story and take care of our lovely cows. Now, let's decorate the farm. We'll put up the fences, plant some green trees, and make a cozy little nest for the mother hen to lay and hatch her eggs. Our farm is getting more and more beautiful. And now, the truck carrying our herd of cows has finally arrived. Let's gently guide them into the farm so they can rest and enjoy some fresh green grass. Now, let's give this adorable newborn calf a gentle bath so it can feel fresh, clean, and truly loved.
Hello, my dear cow friends. Do you see how cozy and beautiful the farm is? This is your new home. Enjoy the fresh grass, the warm barn, and the peaceful life here.
Let's guide these strong and mighty buffaloes back to their barn. They've worked hard all day. Now it's time for them to rest in their cozy home. We've finished building this lovely little mini farm for our cows and other animals. Isn't it fun and heartwarming to see their cozy new home? The video ends here, but I can't wait to see you again in the next adventure. Bye-bye! Hello everyone, welcome to Gabby Farm. Today, we're going to build a beautiful horse barn farm and take care of the cutest cattle farm animals. Let's Let's get started and have some fun together.
Hello there. Oh no, where did my horses go? Hoo. Let's go find them together.
Oh my God, who the hell cares?
Oh no, what happened to my poor horse? Dear God, we have to take it for treatment right away. Okay, don't worry. You'll feel better in no time.
Oh no, what? Terrifying slime. We have to get it off the poor horse right away. Let's clean it up and make our horse feel better again. Hang in there, horsey. We're almost done. You're doing great. Just a little more and you'll be all clean and happy again. All done? Now let's wrap the wound and you'll be as good as new. Great job, team. Let's keep taking care of our lovely animals. Let's call all the animals back to the farm now. Time to bring everyone home. Our cozy farm is ready to welcome them. Are you ready? Let's go.
Oh, the horses have come back. How wonderful! Look at them galloping happily. Welcome home, our lovely friends. The farm feels alive again with the sound of hooves and joyful neighs. Oh, the little ducks and geese are so adorable. Just look at them waddling around the farm, so cute and lively. They make the farm even more fun and full of joy. The zebra family is absolutely adorable. And just look at those chubby turkeys, so plump and funny. It's such a happy day at the farm with all these cute animals around. Let's feed the farm animals some fresh grass and give the horses a drink of cool water. They must be so happy and refreshed now.
So we finished building the farm for the horses and all the lovely animals. Isn't it amazing? That's the end of the video. See you again in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Gabby Farm for more fun and exciting farm adventures. Bye-bye.
Okay.